Alexa,
मुझे इंटरनेट से कनेक्ट करने में समस्या आ रही है। अपने अलेक्सा ऐप की सहायता से
Alexa, stop.
एक नजर डालें।
Alexa, stop. So, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna tell you that I'm facing some issues with my Alexa app since 2-3 days. So you can see Alexa is not responding to the internet connection, and internet is working perfectly fine, but then also Alexa is not working. So guys, today in this video I will tell you about how to fix this problem of Alexa not working with the internet connection. So just open the Alexa app in your mobile phone and click on the devices option. Now once you click on the device option, there you will find add new device. Then just click on add new device and click on Amazon Echo, and there at the top you can see Amazon Echo dot. Click on it and now open the Bluetooth in your phone. So once you turn on the Bluetooth, the Echo Dot will ask if the yellow light is blinking on your Echo device. Just press and hold on to this button with the dot. Actually I have already pressed it, so you can see the yellow light blinking. Once you see the yellow light blinking, then what you have to do, you have to open your Alexa app in your mobile phone. So now Echo Dot will show on your phone. It will automatically search for the Wi-Fi and it will show a pop-up message, connect your phone to your Echo Dot, and it will again ask if there is the action button for the yellow light. And now we will wait for some time and Echo Dot is ready for setup. The pop-up message will come, just click on continue button and it will automatically connect to your saved Wi-Fi network, or your now Echo Dot is now connected to your Wi-Fi network. And now just select the language which you want, or whatever you prefer. For me it is English and Hindi, what I prefer. And then which room is your Echo Dot in, it will ask. Just select it and continue. And now your Echo Dot is ready to use. So this is how you set up your Echo Dot once it get disconnected to the internet. Alexa, add milk to my shopping list.
Okay, I've added milk to your shopping list. Here's something different to try.
So guys, now you can see the app is now connected to the internet and is now working perfectly fine. Thanks for watching this video.